Mommy, do you think that we could go to McDonald's and get some of those smoothies?
If your brother sees this, he's gonna black your eye.
Well, he's Matt.
Stop recording now, Dad. That's weird.
No, I want to record it. Do you know you have a yellow sock and a black sock?
It's green.
Green, yellow, whatever.
Yeah.
Just as long as your teeth are not green and yellow, everything's alright.
You have a lazy eye right now.
Hannah!
She's in the shower.
She's
pooping.
I couldn't get the video to work a minute ago. I couldn't see Sarah. She says, how about move your finger?
You ever had a ghost poopy?
Oh, there you are. Have a what?
Have you ever had a ghost poopy?
Ghost poopy?
Yeah.
What is that?
Or you poop in the toilet? You swear you poop, but there's no poop in the toilet. No.
That's not a
Have you
ghost
had a wet
poopy.
cheeks poopy?
That's magic. That's magic poop.
A Lincoln Log.
Sarah.
Yeah.
Okay, you've had enough on the video.